New toilet, the proper one. This one's coming out. We'll pull this one out of here, pump this thing out, pull this one out, and put the new one in. All because of this crack. They only come in 10-inch rough, these toilets, these small ones. They only come 10-inch rough. That's the way they come. The old toilet out, and I'm gonna get the old wax. I'm gonna put a new wax, a new supply, the new toilet, all new. Put a new jumbo wax in there. It's been pretty warm in my truck today, so I'm not worried about heating this up. You can see this is a 4-inch flange here, so it's a 4x3. So I need the jumbo. I have to get the bowl, put the bowl on there. I'm gonna reuse these. These should be fine. Do a little housekeeping while I'm in here. Hopefully I got the right toilet this time. You gave me the wrong one last time. It's a little shitter, Mama. It's a little shitter. It's a little tiny toilet, man. The flipping thing is tiny. She's a tiny one. A little tiny toilet, man. A little shitter. New caps. A little shitter. You can see these gotta go in a certain way. You see this side up. Like that. These bolts are long enough, we're going to reuse them. Nothing wrong with that. I have no problem reusing the brass bolts if they're good. Closet bolts. No problem with it. Whatever's good we'll reuse. Let that sit, that wax, make sure it's fine. It's hitting there, it's going to be good. Let it sit for a little bit, and we'll try tightening it again in a little while. It's a tiny shitter. Bolts they come without now are stainless. They got brass nuts. I guess they'll be okay. This has only got a 2-inch flush valve. It's only a little tiny toilet. This is a tiny toilet. Looks like they come stainless and brass. I guess I could use them. It's an old American standard. It's an old American standard, y'all. An old American standard. should be 1/2 inch. I gotta kind of crank them down evenly. Crank them down and I'm gonna get the tank to sit where it needs to be, you know. Kind of crank them down and wiggle back and forth. You don't want to break the toilet, but so it's you don't want the tank rocking. Tank can't be rocking. You gotta get the rock out of it. You don't want to tighten it up too much and break it either. You gotta kind of work both sides. You want to have it so it's not rocking. You don't have it too tight where it's cracks either, so there's a fine line between too much and not enough. Try tightening these up some more after I let it sit for a bit, you know, and make sure it's tight. I can put the caps on it. Like I said, it's a 10-inch rough toilet, so it's off the wall. Eureka! There's a Eureka! The seat that's got to go on this is what they call an open face. It's open in the front. Commercial toilet. It would be like that. Put this on and put the seat on and be good. Fill it. See if it shuts off. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch down. That's what we want. I'm just gonna put the seat on it. Look, this should be all right. Seat and cover. Very good. There's the toilet. They said this is a commercial building, so you gotta do an open front seat. Open front. That's the type of seat you gotta put on there. Not like a house. We fly. New toilet, new seat. Should be 9/16. Five eighths. I thing's so short you can't even get the wrench in there. Crazy. Flipping nuts, mama. This is nutty squirrel shit. This is a little tiny thing, man. It's tiny. That's a regular toilet there. How small it is. It's tiny. Little kid's chair. I think it's smaller than that.